In the Applications page, click on the AppSecEngineer app. Click on the Provisioning section to start the integration process. To begin configuring your SCIM connection, click the Edit button. Before you enter the SCIM connection URL, first enable these checkboxes. Select the authentication mode as HTTP header from the drop-down. Back in the AppSecEngineer platform, go to the Admin panel in the left menu bar and navigate to the Integrations page. Here, you'll find the SCIM integration URL. Go ahead and copy it and get back to the Okta page. Paste the URL you just copied here, then go back to AppSecEngineer. Generate a secret token for the HTTP header with this button. Copy it and go back to Okta. Paste the token here and click Save. With that, you're done. Your Okta account has been integrated with AppSecEngineer through SCIM.